Out in the rain on Monday, March 23rd here at Akins, but I had to bring you this one today, friends. Here we have a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn with the sport package, all white, fenders, door handles and mirrors, even that grill, love that. We installed our ReadyLIFT 3.5-inch SST kit. You've heard a lot about that here recently. Man, it turned out really phenomenal. The KM3 XD Grenade 2, the latest rendition of the XD. It's a sport, luxurious off-road wheel, all combined in one. 35, 12.5 wide, 20 on the BFG KM3. Good look at some of the components of that SST kit up front. Of course, we've got the Ant Research power boards to keep the look nice and clean and sleek. Nice puddle lights for you also. On the inside, you know we had to throw some WeatherTechs. Love that Bighorn package with a center console and that 8.4 screen. You get wheel well liners from Ram in the rear, which I really like, so you don't have to add anything on that. LED tail lights is a nice signature look on this level 2 Bighorn. You've got front and rear park assist. Check out that custom Akins tag. You've also got tailgate assist built in, so it comes down nice and smooth. We're 0 offset, so we're not too aggressive, but really this truck is awesome. Really like the way this one turned out on the new gen, the 5th gen Ram 1500. 0 offset, mud terrain tire that rides great. Killer looks with the all white Lumar window tint. They just did a great job. This truck has other safety features like blind spot monitor and more. Really turned out great. This is a 4-wheel drive 2020, currently available. We hope everyone's doing well in these testing times. We're just trying to keep producing quality content for you guys. Have good looking trucks to look at if nothing else. Here's another good shot with the headlights running. You see that nice LED signature lighting around the trim. Looks great daytime or nighttime. I love the dual exhaust that Ram incorporates on all their trucks. I have the Henny V8 in it. Really love the sport. You've got body color throughout. And we didn't want to go too much for this truck. A good clean wheel that we knew was just going to set the truck off nicely. A mud terrain tire, just very capable, but still rides good, gives you good longevity and mileage. We didn't want to do anything crazy with painting, badging, or anything that was going to elevate the price point to where it just didn't make sense for someone. But definitely this SST kit, as we've told you in other videos, is a great mid-level lift that gives you a nice stance, really enhances the overall appearance and capability of your vehicle. Okay, now guys, let's take a look at some of the build progress on our 3.5-inch SST kit on this Ram 1500 here behind me. Truly, the SST kit is my favorite kit that ReadyLIFT has, and essentially because you don't have to cut the frame, you don't have to throw big money towards a kit just to get a certain look or stance. You can throw that 3.5-inch kit on there, be in that mid-level lift, still can fit under many parking garages, parking decks, even at your house, and still clear 35s with an aggressive offset. We've done several vehicles. We did Yappy's truck with this same kit, and he's got 22 by 12s, -44. You can fit some phenomenal size wheel and tire combos under this kit, and so it's very versatile, very cost effective, and been very reliable throughout. Obviously, the Ford F-150 is different than the Ram 1500 suspension-wise. So in the rear, you have the coil springs in the rear on the Ram, so the kit's slightly different than the Ford, but you just have a spacer to go on top to get that extra clearance, and then a different bump stop there also. So there's your factory bump stop location. Bump stop raises it up, so nothing's sacrificed integrity-wise. So here's a good look at all the components that are included in the 3.5-inch SST kit for the Ram 1500. Buds, our installer for this one, show you the new upper control arm. Solid piece there, a lot stronger. Integrity is much more solid than even the factory upper control arm. Really like that. Keeps your ball joint in the proper geometry. You can see that lift component kit there for the upper. Everybody's always worried about angles of CV joints. So let's take you guys a look at the CV joints. Nothing drastic. ReadyLIFT is a real big player as far as doing research, keeping sure that their kits don't sacrifice integrity or durability over time. Don't show you guys enough about the interior of the new Ram 1500. Really like it. They've done a great job of the evolution of their interiors, giving you, quality resolutions on their screens now. Check out this backup camera. Got to be one of the clearest in the business as far as clarity and resolution. We truly love that. Got a nice job with their center console configuration. This slides out of the way. Got nice storage down there. All of your auxiliary ports, USBs are conveniently located. Even got some Type-C USBs up there. All of your tow, front and rear park assist for this level bighorn, trailer brake control, four-wheel drive, conveniently located here. Looks great. Gotta love that amp power step. I'm over in Bethlehem at Barburritos. Get a quick bite to eat for lunch today. Have to eat it in the truck because of the corona constrictions. So I hope everyone's staying positive with that. I want to let you guys know about the vehicle. There's no trimming whatsoever. We did not have to trim any components. Your lower valence, crash bar, any component of the vehicle on this Ram, there was no trimming. It doesn't scrub at all. It rides great. I love the overall smoothness of this truck on these BFG KM3s. Turned out phenomenal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, as always, hit that subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up. Much love. This truck's now available at Akins. I'll put the link in the description below as well. Thank you guys so much.